Welcome. So we were out taking a hike in this beautiful afternoon sun at a local park, and we discovered all these beautiful creatures doing a kind of clear cutting for our city. Now this whole area here was filled with tons of foliage. Not sure how long these babes have been here, but they do some incredible work. And I can't really tell how far down they go. There's a nice little wire fence to keep them inside. So this is where it looks like it starts. Then we go all the way down here. Quite a change from Comic-Con. A lot of them are just resting, probably full. Look at that one. He's nice and full, huh? Or she. There's a bunch of them resting in the shade over there. I really like seeing stuff like this. I have nothing against gardeners, but all their tools, if they're not electric, send out a bunch of awful fumes that aren't good for our environment, especially right now. And this is the best way to handle overgrowth. Hello? Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you. There's something going on with that branch over there. One of these trees is very camphorous. Beautiful. I said that because I could smell it. Baking in the sun. So this park has a kind of a carnival area. Oh, it's electric. I didn't even notice that. I'm glad I didn't touch it. Cool. But there's an area behind me that's fenced off that has like a Ferris wheel. No, they don't have a Ferris wheel anymore. Like a tiny little roller coaster and bumper cars and things like that for kids. See, look at all the clear cutting they did there. Bless you. Was that you? Hi? You guys have done some amazing work here. Okay, so it looks like it stops right there at the bridge. That bridge leads out to a neighborhood housing area type thing. Beautiful. This is amazing to see. Just thought I'd share it. Thank you. Stay healthy. Always be kind.